Still at Widmouth Bay, folks, and if you saw my last video on flame casts, we were talking about the pressure on rock that was required to create the flame cast, and I showed you a flame cast about 1 inch high. Well, take a look at that one. Put my hand in it for scale. That's about 4 inches high. Why? Well, that's because in this instance, look at the thickness of that sandstone. That's at least 1.8 meters thick, and you can imagine the pressure exerted on the mud in order to force it up. There's an even better example here, folks, where you can see this mudstone layer here that would have been wet when the sandstone was laid down, and it's forced it up between this joint in the sand and created this beautiful long flame cast here, about 1 metre long. One of the best, absolutely superb. And there are instances where if the mud made it all the way to the surface, then you would have got a sand volcano. And there are still places in the world where sand volcanoes exist. Just have a look, that massive sandstone, and then the interbedded mudstones and sandstones below. It's absolutely beautiful, folks. This is the Bude Formation at Widmouth Bay in Cornwall. If you've never been to have a look, come and have a look. Right at the north end of the beach. That's it for today, folks.